Remember putting away those Christmas lights last year? Hire ChristmasLightInstaller.com and you'll never have to dig those things out again. We want to install your lights, maintain them all season, and remove them without you ever having to lift another finger again. Sound good? Well, our customers think so. We even guarantee our work. Every bulb, every strand, for every customer. Our Christmas light installers are trained in every aspect of Christmas light installation for the home or business. In fact, we treat every client, big or small, as if they're our only client. Become our customer this year. We enjoy designing homes and businesses with Christmas lights and seeing the smiles we help create. It's our ambition to make you so happy with our service that you'll take the time to refer our business to your friends and family for next year. So if you're ready to turn your home or business into a Christmas wonderland, give us a call today or check us out online at ChristmasLightInstaller.com.